let's talk about passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. Passive income sounds like a dream, making money while you sleep, but the truth is it's not magic. It's about setting up systems today that keep earning for you tomorrow. In 2026, there are simple and realistic ways anyone can start building passive income without needing to be an expert or take huge risks. The key is picking ideas that match your time, skills, and interests, and then staying consistent. One popular way people are earning passive income is through digital products. Things like ebooks, printables, or online courses can be created once and sold again and again. For example, someone who loves cooking can write a simple recipe guide and sell it online. Each sale brings in money without needing to start over every day. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to reach customers all over the world. It's small at first, but over time it grows as more people discover your work. Another way is through affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend products or services online and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. For instance, if you have a small blog, YouTube channel, or even social media page, you can share things you already like and make money when others buy. The work up front is creating content and building trust, but once it's done, it can keep generating income for months or even years. Investing in rental properties is still a strong option in 2026, but it doesn't always mean buying a house alone. People are pooling money together through platforms that allow fractional property ownership. You invest a small amount, and the rent collected is shared among investors. It's a way to earn real estate income without needing huge capital or managing tenants by yourself. Dividend stocks and high-yield accounts are also simple passive income sources. While they don't make you rich overnight, they are low-effort ways to earn a steady stream of cash. Dividends are paid automatically by companies to shareholders, and high-yield savings accounts pay a small interest just for keeping your money there. Combined, they can create a reliable monthly inflow. Finally, don't forget about automation tools in 2026. Many people are creating small online businesses that run automatically, like print-on-demand stores or subscription-based content. Once the setup is done, orders, deliveries, and payments happen automatically. The main work is creating the product or content and keeping an eye on performance. The biggest secret of passive income in 2026 is simple. It requires work up front, patience, and consistency. No method is completely effortless, but when done correctly, the money you earn continues to grow without you needing to work every day. Start small, pick one idea that fits your skills, and build from there. Another way to earn passive income in 2026 is through content creation platforms that pay over time. For example, if you create videos, podcasts, or blogs, some platforms allow you to earn money every time someone watches, listens, or clicks on your content. The work is mostly upfront, planning, recording, and publishing, but once it's online, it keeps earning. Many creators make a steady side income this way because their content continues to attract new viewers long after it's posted.
Peer-to-peer lending is also growing as a passive income option. This means lending small amounts of money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest on the loan. While there is some risk, careful research and spreading your money across multiple borrowers can reduce it. Many people are using this to earn extra cash without actively working, turning their savings into a small but steady income stream. Finally, licensing and royalties can be powerful if you have a creative skill. Musicians, photographers, designers, and writers can license their work so others pay to use it. For example, a photographer can upload stock photos to websites, and every time someone downloads an image, they earn money. Similarly, writers can earn royalties from books, articles, or even online guides. The key is creating something once and letting it continue to earn over time. Passive income in 2026 is all about leveraging your time, creativity, and smart systems to make money work for you. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day.